Oyagala okumanya ebiriwo, ebyaliwo, oba ebigenda okubaawo. Program Tambula n'okumanya eggose. Tambula n'okumanya ku MRU TV ne Royal FM. Tambula n'okumanya. Tambula n'okumanya.
Nicolas Maduro Moros was born on 23rd November 1962 in Caracas, Venezuela, into a working-class family. His father, Nicolas Maduro Garcia, who was a prominent trade union leader, died in a motor vehicle accident on 22nd April 1989. And his mother, Teresa Moros, was born in Cúcuta, a Colombian border town at the border of Venezuela. Maduro is a Venezuelan politician and president of Venezuela since 2013, with his presidency under dispute since 2019. Maduro has been married twice. His first marriage was to Adriana Guerra Angulo, with whom he had his first son Nicolas Maduro Guerra, also known as Nicolasito, who was appointed to several senior government posts. He later married Celia Flores, a lawyer and politician who replaced Maduro as a president of National Assembly in August 2006 when he resigned to become Minister of Foreign Affairs, becoming the first woman to serve as president of the National Assembly. Maduro attended a public high school, Jose Avila in Valle. His introduction to politics was when he became a member of his high school students' union. According to school records, Maduro did not graduate from high school. Maduro found employment as a bus driver for many years for the Caracas Metro Company. He began his political career in 1980s by becoming an official trade unions representing the bus drivers of the Caracas Metro system. He was also employed as a bodyguard for Jose Vicente Rango during Rango's unsuccessful 1989 presidential campaigns. At 24 years of age, Maduro resided in Havana with other militants of leftist organizations in South America. In the early 1990s, he joined MBR-200 and campaigned for the release of Chavez when he was jailed for his role in the 1992 Venezuelan coup d'etat attempts. In late 1990s, Maduro was instrumental in funding the movement of the Fifth Republic, which supported Chavez in his run for president in 1998. Maduro was elected on the MVR ticket to the Venezuela Chamber of Deputies in 1998, to the National Constituent Assembly in 1999, and finally to the National Assembly in 2000, at all times representing the Capital District. The Assembly elected him as a speaker, a role he held from 2005 until 2006. Maduro was appointed as the Minister of Foreign Affairs in 2006 and served under Chavez in that position until being appointed to Vice President of Venezuela in October 2013.